Are you ready to elevate your church experience? Every week, more churches embrace live streaming to engage parishioners. It's not just a trend, it's an expectation. Live streaming connects your community, reaching new members while keeping everyone engaged, even when they can't attend in person. Why should your church live stream services? Here are 3 compelling reasons. 1. Foster community. With 27% of Americans watching religious services online, your church can bridge gaps for those unable to attend physically. 2. Welcome new members. Around 74% of pastors report new attendees connecting online. An online presence can significantly expand your congregation. 3. Flexibility and convenience. Your audience can tune in anytime, ensuring no one misses out on the worship experience. Unlike competitors, we offer a unique advantage. Switcher, a comprehensive streaming software tailored for churches, provides everything you need to create engaging live events. Imagine enhancing your virtual church service through multiple camera angles, immersive visuals, and inviting guest speakers, all easily facilitated through Switcher. Promote your services on social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram, reaching even wider audiences. Streamline donations through interactive links, keeping your congregation connected to your mission. Don't wait, take your church to the next level. Start live streaming today with Switcher. Visit our blog for more tips or try Switcher free for 14 days. Join us, and watch your community thrive.